Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix broken armor or broken things in Duckov. So what you'll need to do is just go to the workbench, and as you can see, if I click on the craft, I can't do anything, so you'll need to upgrade it. So the first is advanced processing, and after that you can upgrade to fix station. So basically you'll need to research, and for that I need to get some currency. So what I will do, I will sell some items that I don't need. As you can see, you can do yourself too. And after that, if I go to the upgrade and unlock the fix station, I will be able to fix items in workbench. So as you can see, you just activate it, and then by scrolling you can repair items. And let's say I want to repair this one, and it just costs like this. You can repair it just all, and that's pretty much it. So this is for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.